Cat 26 register, just repairs and hobbies. We'll do another model here. See what we got in here. You already know by the title what it is. There's a lot of parts to it. Good packing. Get that off to the side. And let's see what we got here. Base. That's a big base. Put that over there. Let's open this up. Oh, cool. Save those bags. Put that right there. Save the packing. Okay. Good size. I actually like the larger size models. They're pretty cool. We're just going to get in and put this together, you know, not fool around. There's the nameplate. It's like the other one. The other one was smaller. This one's bigger. This one's about 12 inches tall. There's the face of it. 3D printed. So let's see if we can attach it with glue. And I can open that up with pliers because it won't open. I'm going to use 2 pliers. Hang on, guys. Put that over there. It's raining like crazy out today. Let's see. Let's do a dry fitting first. Yeah, good fit there. So I can't remember if I used putty on this or just CA glue. I'd have to look at the video. Yeah, I think the CA glue is going to work. Everyone's different. The Genie model, the CA glue just didn't work on that. Had to use putty. Of course, we do putty the seams. And this needs to be washed a little bit. We're gonna putty the seams too once this all dries. This is the right leg, I think. Yeah, that's the right leg. So let's put them like that. I don't usually buy 2 of the same, but I did. because I like this model. I like this movie, actually. It's a pretty cool movie. Solid. Pieces are solid. They're not hollow, these pieces, at all. They're all solid, 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 solid. So let's just push them down on the table here. Gotta let that glue really set in. Put his head on. Goes together pretty quick. Sorry if you can't see this. I'm out of focus here. There's the plate. It's a little bit bigger. Should be a lot easier to paint. Well, you know, when scale is bigger, a lot easier to paint, you know. It's good practice. I don't know. I can't do this Micromania stuff. I have some of them. I've done them. But the real tiny, tiny ones from the war kits, they're called, I can't do those. Just too small for me. Some guys, they whip them up like 1,000 at a time. I'm not interested in those. I don't even get the game. I don't even understand the game that they play with it. I don't see too much of it now on YouTube. Used to see a lot of it, you know. His leg is not wanting to stay on. So that's, you know what that means. We get out the green stuff. That's what that means. Back to the green stuff. Probably had to do this for the last one too. Cut some off here. You think, oh, it's drying, you know. I could break that leg off and no problem. It'll come off, no problem. And mix this stuff up again. Try not to get it underneath your nails. I had to cut my nails because I got it underneath there. Didn't want it there. We're only doing this because we want to be secure and have it, you know, work well. Jesus, this takes a long time to mix. It's got to be a good, solid green. That's good. I'm going to break this in half. Put one piece over here. And just stick it down in that hole. Like that. That's staying on there pretty good, but not as good as I want it to. So the other piece goes in there. Like that. Like that. And we're going to just put them down and we're going to let them dry overnight. Let's put this green stuff in here. Any questions, let me know in the comments below. I mean, this stuff isn't rocket science, but there he is, all built up. I'm going to paint him in a different video, you know that. I'll show him all painted. You already know what it looks like, but I want to do a little bit better and a job on this one and a little different scheme for the skin tones. So I'll be taking my time doing that. Then another model, the backdrop I have to, which I started before, which is, you know, the genie model. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.